Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make an animated text slicing using Canva application. So first you need to open a new project like this, and after that you need to insert a text onto this page. Click the text, insert it. Okay, for example I will type video, this one, and then change the font onto a bolder font. For example, in this tutorial I'm using this Anton font, this one. Then change it. After that, increase the size of the font like this, and add an element to make it much more look shiny. So I'm using this dash element, this one. Don't forget to change the color of the element onto a white color. Make sure it has the same color as the background, just like that. Then you need to save this design. And don't forget to increase the size of the pixel. Click download, wait for a moment. After finish downloading it, now you can delete all of this design. Delete it, and then click this gallery button down here, click it, and insert the design that you already saved before, this one. Add it to the page like this, and then click the Magic Studio button here, click it, and click this BG remover to remove the background from this image. And after finish removing the background, you need to decrease the size of the frame like this, and then increase the size of the text. Now the important part, you need to duplicate this text and cut the duplicated text onto half like this. Same as the duplicated text, you need to cut the first text onto a half position like this. And after that, to minimize the visible line of the cutting line, this one, you can adjust the position by using this nudge if you're using font, and then adjust it like this. Make sure it's not visible anymore. And after that, add a new text, and for example I'm adding intro like this. Change the font. I'm using this vintage edge, this one, and then change the color onto a gray color. Okay, change it onto gray like this, and then send it to the back. That the next steps is you need to decrease the transparency onto 0 and minimize the page. Duplicate the first page like this 3 times. This one is for intro, and this one is for ending, and this one is the feel of the video, of the motion. So we need to move this duplicated design and the first design like that. Make it look like it's opening like that, and then increase the size of the text that you are adding before. And now you need to increase the transparency onto 100 like this. Positioning it. Now click the text, add an effect, and then click this neon effect, this one. Okay, go back, then click this plus button. Click this plus button, and then add a transition. We need to use this match and move transition like this. Increase the length of the duration or the speed of the transition, and don't forget to check this apply between all page like that. And after that, click this button. When you click the clip, this toolbar will show, and you need to click this duration button, this one, click it, and decrease the duration onto 2.5 seconds. Then check apply to all page, just like that. Go back, and let's see the preview. And this is the result that you got from following these steps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.